The magic of generative AI is on your phone now. Now, with the help of Runway's Generation 1 for iOS, following features which you can take use of today. First and foremost is preview images. You can now see an image of what your Gen 1 output videos will look like for free. Pick only the ones that you like to generate a full video. Then you have notifications. So now you can get notifications when your Gen 1 generation is complete. So you can quickly access your videos and share them while they are fresh. You can also remove the watermark but it's a paid version and then you won't have any watermarks. The UI UX is very enhanced and it offers a cleaner design to better navigation. That's very exciting news. The release of Runway's Gen 1 for iOS with its new feature brings the magic of Gen AI right to your smartphones. The ability to preview images and select the one you like for generating full videos is a fantastic addition. The inclusion of notification for completed generation allows for quick access and sharing of fresh videos. And for paid users, the removal of watermark enhances the overall experience. The improved user interface and user experience make it even more convenient to create and customize your videos. So you can see the Runways Gen 1 for iOS is just the start. Just wait and you'll be seeing more and more such tooling available in the AI wild very soon. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any feedback or any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.